5-minute balance test. Predicts brain aging? Try it now. Many seniors believe brain decline is something they can't control, but science says otherwise. A simple balance test can reveal how well your brain is aging and help you act early. Today, we'll explore why this test matters, what signs to watch for, and what daily habits can keep your mind sharp. For more step-by-step wellness checklists and gentle routines, you can visit thevitatrack.com. This countdown from 7 to 1 will uncover how balance connects to your brain, why number 3 is a silent warning, and why number 1 is the most powerful signal you should never ignore. And 7, feeling unsteady on one foot. Standing on one foot may seem simple, but this small action activates complex brain and body coordination. Many seniors start to notice they wobble when they try this. It's not just about muscles. It reflects how well your brain communicates with your nerves, eyes, and inner ear. Even a few seconds of imbalance can reveal early neurological changes. When this happens often, daily tasks like stepping into a shower or putting on pants can become less stable. This is why balance is one of the earliest ways your brain tells you something needs attention. Imagine Evelyn, a 67-year-old who loved her morning walks. One day she realized she had to grab a wall to keep from tipping over. It scared her. After seeing her doctor, she began balance training and brain exercises. Within weeks, she felt steadier. Her story shows that unsteadiness is not always permanent. Early recognition can protect your independence. If standing on one foot feels unsafe, try it near a counter or chair. Notice how many seconds you can hold without support. If it's less than 10 seconds or makes you dizzy, tell your doctor. This is not about panic, but prevention. Your brain and balance are partners. When one falters, the other speaks up. 6, needing support to stay upright. Many seniors start using furniture to move around their home without realizing how much support they need. This is more than just aging legs. It can signal that your brain's balance pathways are slowing down. These pathways rely on rapid communication between your eyes, muscles, and brain. If you notice leaning on countertops or grabbing chair backs more often, it's a quiet warning. Denise, a retired teacher, noticed she couldn't stand still while brushing her teeth without holding the sink. At first, she ignored it, thinking it was just tiredness. But over time, she stumbled more. Her doctor helped her start a gentle balance and coordination plan. She practiced short daily sessions, standing for 30 seconds without support, then progressing to one leg. After a few months, her confidence grew. This change isn't just physical. Brain training through balance can slow cognitive decline. You may not feel weak, but if your body reaches out for support automatically, that's your nervous system adapting to reduced stability. Don't wait for a fall. Tell your doctor and ask for a simple balance assessment. These small signals often appear years before more serious symptoms. Safe early steps can protect your mobility and memory. 5, trouble standing with eyes closed. Closing your eyes removes visual input. This means your brain relies fully on your inner ear and proprioception, your sense of where your body is in space. If you sway or stumble as soon as your eyes close, it shows your brain is depending heavily on sight to stay balanced. This is a sign that your other balance systems may be weakening. Many seniors find this out unexpectedly. It's not about willpower or strength, it's about coordination inside your brain. James, a 72-year-old who enjoyed Tai Chi, noticed his legs trembled when he stood still with eyes shut. He felt embarrassed. But his instructor explained that this is one of the earliest ways to detect balance decline. After regular practice, James improved dramatically. Testing your balance with eyes closed is simple but revealing. Stand near a sturdy surface, close your eyes, and notice how long you last without shifting or catching yourself. Even small wobbles count. If it's under 5 seconds, it's time to get your balance checked. Balance exercises and neurological assessments can make a huge difference. This one sign can help predict who may develop mobility problems in the next few years. Awareness here is powerful. 4, shorter balance hold times. Researchers have found that people who can't balance on one foot for at least 10 seconds have a higher risk of neurological decline in the next decade. It's not because the act itself causes it. It's because brain and balance health are deeply linked. If your balance hold time gets shorter over months or years, it's a valuable early sign. Many seniors notice this but dismiss it as just getting older. But what's really happening is a gradual weakening of brain-muscle communication. Even subtle changes can matter. You might notice you can hold steady for only 3 or 4 seconds now, compared to 15 seconds a few years ago. That's important information. It's not about judgment, it's about action. Daily gentle balance exercises like heel-to-toe walking or standing on one foot near a wall can retrain these pathways. They don't just build strength, they keep the brain agile. If your times are falling, it's worth discussing with your doctor or physical therapist. Early intervention works best when signs are quiet. Membership gives you weekly printable balance trackers, step-by-step routines, and a supportive senior community to help you stay steady and confident. It's designed to guide you through real gentle improvements without feeling alone. 3. Light dizziness or brain fog. Sometimes the earliest signs of brain aging show up not as memory loss, but as subtle dizziness or fog. Seniors may feel a little off when turning their head, stepping off a curb, or standing up. This isn't always a dangerous symptom, but it's never something to ignore. Your brain uses balance input to stay clear and alert. When signals from your inner ear, muscles, or eyes don't line up, your brain spends more effort on staying upright. That leaves less focus for memory and clarity. Mrs. Davis, an active 70-year-old, began noticing her head felt cloudy whenever she stood too quickly. She thought it was dehydration, but a checkup revealed mild vestibular weakness. With therapy and balance exercises, she regained clarity. Many people dismiss this sensation as nothing serious, but it can predict future falls or cognitive decline. If your head feels light or foggy regularly, note when and how it happens. Gentle movement, hydration, and medical evaluation can bring improvement. If these sensations happen daily or come with blurred vision, call your doctor promptly. Brain fog tied to balance issues is a quiet but meaningful signal. 2. Slower recovery after imbalance. When younger, a quick stumble didn't shake your confidence. But as we age, regaining balance after a misstep can take longer. If you trip on a rug and need several seconds to steady yourself, that's your brain working harder to catch up. It's not weakness. It's a sign of slower reflex pathways. Over time, this delay increases fall risk. You may notice feeling nervous walking on uneven ground or reaching for walls in dim light. This is your body asking for extra support. Daily practice can help retrain reflexes. Simple exercises like shifting weight from one leg to another or gentle side steps improve recovery speed. The goal isn't perfection, it's resilience. Notice how long it takes you to steady yourself after losing balance. If that time is growing, don't ignore it. Talk to your doctor and consider balance training programs. Seniors who act early often avoid serious injuries later. Your brain is adaptable even after 60. 1. Frequent imbalance during daily tasks. This is the most important sign because it often appears right before major falls. If walking to the bathroom at night or stepping off a curb feels shaky, your brain is sending loud signals. It's easy to dismiss this as just tiredness or old age. But these moments reveal reduced communication between your inner ear, vision, muscles, and brain. Balance is a whole body function. Frequent stumbles, reaching for walls, or tripping on small objects show the system is struggling. George, 74, began to feel unstable while walking to get his mail. After 2 near falls, he spoke to his doctor and began a structured balance program. 3 months later, his confidence returned. This isn't about perfection. It's about protecting independence. If these daily imbalances happen more often, get evaluated. Balance training and early neurological care can help prevent serious injuries. When balance becomes unpredictable, your brain is asking for help, not giving up. You can find printable balance checklists, daily brain strengthening habits, and gentle exercise routines at thevitatrack.com. Joining our membership gives you weekly plans, simple trackers, and a caring senior community to help you stay strong and independent. Early action can protect your mind, mobility, and confidence for years to come.